Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is conscience. It is pronounced conscience, and it is spelt C-O-N-S-C-I-E-N-C-E. Think con and then science. Conscience means a person's moral sense of right and wrong, viewed as acting as a guide to one's behavior. For example, you could say, he had a guilty conscience after stealing her purse. Conscience comes from the Latin conscientia, meaning knowledge within oneself, sense of right and wrong, a moral sense. The same as today. Have you ever seen the movie Pinocchio? In the 1940 Disney film, Pinocchio, Jiminy Cricket, a literal cricket, was appointed as Pinocchio's official conscience by the Blue Fairy. As Pinocchio was not a real boy, the Blue Fairy hoped that Jiminy would guide Pinocchio on his journey to become a real boy. In the same way, a conscience would guide a person on what was right and wrong. Pinocchio's conscience is personified as a cricket that can talk and reason with him like a human would. If your conscience was personified in a similar way to Pinocchio's conscience, what animal do you think it would be? Conscience is a noun, and therefore a thing. For example, you could say, if you let your conscience guide you, you will most likely reach the correct decision. Conscience is defined in the dictionary as the part of you that judges how moral your own actions are and makes you feel guilty about bad things that you have done or things you feel responsible for. Conscience's synonyms include morals, standards, values, principles, ethics, belief, and inner voice. Antonyms include immorality, dishonor, and dishonesty. See if you can notice your own conscience today. If you're wondering if you should do something or if something is a good idea, stop and listen to your conscience. It'll put you on the right track. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, conscience. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.